Add the expression below, and which of the following is the sum in simplest form? So the way it looks right now, these are not like terms, I can't add them. So I'm going to try to simplify each of the radical and just like hope they all come out to the same radical. Okay, so 48. I need a perfect square factor for 48. 16. 16 goes into 48 because 48 is 16 times 3. So this is going to be 9 times the square root of 16 times 3 plus 6 times the square root. 192. What perfect square factor does it have? Well, I've got a hint over here because I'm hoping that these will all come out with the same radical. So I think 3 is going to be a factor of 192. I can figure that out over here. So 3 goes into 19 6 times, 64. So 192 is 64 times 3. And then 108, I believe that 3 goes into that as well. So I can do 108 divided by 3, 36 times 3. And then take the square root of the perfect squares. So this is going to be 9 times 4 root 3 plus 6 times 8 root 3 minus 7 times 6 root 3, which is 36 root 3 plus 48 root 3 minus 42 root 3. Okay, so 48 minus 42 is positive 6. So my next line is going to be 36 root 3 plus 6 root 3, and that is 42 root 3, which is option D.